Hey there, Marcus here. In this video, I will show you 2 tips on how you can unlock your GE dishwasher, and I hope this video is going to help you. So what you can try to do first is that you here, when you're going to start it out, first what you want to do is just press and hold the steam button for about up to 10 seconds. Maybe that is going to work out. Or where you're going to have a button, and under that you can find a lock or like lock control. This is something that you want to search for that under that button. Another way what you can do is that you just want to press and hold the start button with dry boost button and with the steam button at the same time. So you're just gonna press and hold these 3 buttons at the same time on your dishwasher, and then it should probably work. So I'm curious which one of it is going to work out for you. So first, try to press and hold the steam, but then also try to press and hold the start, dry boost and steam button at the same time, and maybe that should work. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.